I basically am an epicure, and my brother's always there to help me out with everything, and I really appreciate that. So I always wanted to share my love for cooking with everyone, and I thought that because of coronavirus and this lockdown, this may be the chance that everyone is bored and needs something to do. So that's why I thought that why don't I have my own cooking channel and I just share all my recipes that are all the ingredients are available in your pantry every day. So I just wanted to share this with everyone so they could have something to do, I have something to do. All of my recipes are either from my friends or family or relatives, and I really love that.
And I don't know how to cook, but I'm just there as a helper in mixing, like putting the things in the pot or something. I don't know how to, like, I'm scared to put this pot on the stove. She knows how to.
And always, when you're holding a hot pot, you always want an adult around you so you don't drop it on yourself or anything. And especially if you're using stoneware gets hot really fast. So you always want a cloth or something to hold it on. Between each of my videos, I'm always sharing another one or another kind of hack or something that's just like a tip that everyone needs to know while cooking. So I basically love food.
She's a foodie. So, like in our last video, I said that don't like put the cheese when you're like the pizza video. I was putting the sauce and everything with the same glove and mixing it, but then I told the people that don't put it with the same glove. Put the cheese with a different glove.
Yeah, or else there could always be some kind of fungus or something in it. You always need some kind of guidance, so I have my mom there always helping out with the camera, with the ingredients, with everything, and I really appreciate that. So please subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you there. Bye!
Bye!